In primetime news this evening, Prime Minister announces new growth strategy for the country.
Firefighters worked throughout the night to contain blaze, which destroyed 2 businesses in St. Andrew.
And authorities revealed motorists modifying vehicles to exceed the preset speed limit. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. A very special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. I'm Anthony Lug.
And a special welcome to our viewers online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious. And later on in the business news, the TAJ says some Airbnb owners are not paying taxes.
Interesting.
Yes.
Very interesting. And Renardo Brown is here with a preview of what's to come in sports. Renardo?
You almost forgot my name. The Reggae Boys head coach says team needs to improve in order to be competitive against the tougher sides in the region. This after Jamaica went down 4-2 to the United States in their Nations League game on Monday. And stakeholders respond to multi-million-dollar bid to take over Montego Bay Sports Complex.
All right, you want to listen to the feedback responses, Renato. But anyway, before that, Romain is here with a preview of the weather report and forecast.
Rain or no rain?
Thanks, Janella. We have 2 to 3 days more of generally sunny conditions which are affecting most of the island. But on the weekend, we do have a frontal system that could add some showers and possible thunderstorms to sections of northern and southeastern parishes.
Wet, wet, wet. And there's also E-Prime and sports commentary in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
So, Renato, listen to this. We're asking this evening, what could the Reggae Boys have done differently in their game against the U.S. on Monday night?
Share comments online at facebook.com/televisionjamaica and post on X at TVJ News Center.
Looking forward to those responses, but please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.